Configuring the SDI-AM for an analog temperature sensor. SDI-AM stands for Serial Data Interface Analog Module. The SDI-AM is a hardware device that provides the following things: analog connections for analog devices, analog to digital conversion of analog device readings, and an SDI interface to the datalogger for control of and data acquisition from the connected analog devices. On the home screen, tap Sensors. The Sensors screen appears. It displays an icon for every currently configured sensor in the datalogger. Tap New Sensor. The Please Select Sensor Type screen appears. The screen contains icons for each available type of sensor. The SDI-AM is a known sensor with a preloaded configuration available. Tap SDI-AM. The Analog Module Setup screen appears. It shows the preloaded configuration for an SDI-AM presented on 9 tabs. Enter a unique name for the SDI-AM module. In this example, we do not modify the default name. Enter the SDI-AM module's SDI address. In this example, the address is set to 5. Enter the SDI-AM module's measurement timing, interval, and offset values. In this example, interval is set to 1 minute and offset to 55 seconds. This causes the sensor to be read every minute at 5 seconds before the top of the minute. These interval and offset settings ensure the SDI-AM module's readings are available to the datalogger at the top of the minute. This is done because for the upcoming excitation voltage configuration, the SDI-AM module requires 2 seconds to return data to the datalogger, 1 second of warm-up time, and 1 second to make the measurement. This leaves 3 seconds of leeway. Ensure the AN1, Analog Channel 1, tab is selected. On the AN1 tab, enter a unique name for the excitation voltage measurement. In this example, the name is VREF. Set the measurement mode and range for the analog 1 input. In this example, the mode is single-ended and the range is 0 to 1 volts. When complete, select the AN2 tab. The AN2 tab appears. By default, mode is set to off, which disables the other controls on the tab. Select the mode. In this example, mode is set to single-ended. The other controls on the tab are enabled. Enter a unique name for the thermistor voltage measurement. In this example, the name is VTherm. Select the measurement range. In this example, the range is 0 to 1 volts. When complete, select the EX2 tab. The EX2 tab appears. By default, excitation is set to disabled, which hides other controls on the tab. Select an excitation mode. In this example, excitation is set to warm-up. This reveals additional controls for the warm-up option. Enter values for the warm-up period and the warm-up voltage set point. In this example, these are set to 1 second and 0.990 volts respectively. When complete, tap OK. The Save in Progress message appears while the datalogger saves the configuration. This may take 15 or more seconds. When the configuration has been saved, the Sensors page appears. Tap the icon for the newly configured SDI-AM sensor. In this example, it is named SDI_AM. The SDI-AM sensor screen appears. Check the readings obtained from the sensor. With the configuration shown in this example, the readings should be VREF equals 990 millivolts plus or minus 1 millivolt, and VTherm equals about 370 millivolts, corresponding to room temperature. To close, tap Home.